Instagram post idea. Credits to Idol Ivana Alawi ang aking Instagram photo model ngayon. Mag-upload ng picture galing sa inyong gallery at gawing background. Panoorin at sundan na lang ang aking gagawin.
I'm wearing Dolce & Gabbana, all I wanna do is flex, flex. I'm getting famous like Rihanna, all I wanna do is flex, just flex. I'm wearing Fendi, money spending, all I wanna do is flex, flex.
Maglagay ng raindrops effect.
I'm not